Yeah, so we put up a table with 3 different foams, and it's 3 stages of how to do wheel bearings. To start with is the base kit here, the basic starter kit. It's for generation 1 wheel bearing, the Preston, with separate hub and separate bearing, plus also the CV axle press, both 4 and 5 bolts. So that's the base in this kit. And over here is the add-on. You get it as a extended kit for generation 3. It's the bolted bearings, so we need the jaws for the bolted bearings and the plates for the hubs and for the bearing. And to make it a pro kit, you can add this one. Gives you a possibility to do wheel bearings on pickup trucks up to 35 and 4500. Plus the brake rotor kit, so you don't crash the bearing when you hammer off the brake rotors.